Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a wood table runner. Now, I saw a version of this table runner on Pinterest and was super inspired to try it myself. So we're going to stain the wood with unicorn spit, but we're using a gel press. Now, before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make a wood table runner. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for unicorn spit and gel press, and I'll also leave the sizes of wood that I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.